Bonjour and welcome to French by Heart. C'est la partie 2 du futur proche. It is part 2 of le futur proche. Dans cette partie, on va apprendre la négation et le verbe pronominaux avec le futur proche. In this part, we are going to learn about the negation and the pronominal verb with the tense le futur proche. La négation. Let's see how we can frame a simple negative sentence using le futur proche. We need le sujet, subject, ne or an apostrophe, le verbe aller au présent, the aller verb conjugated in present tense, pas. With ne and pas we frame a simple negation, and l'infinitive du verbe principal, the infinitive form of the main verb. Let's see some of the examples for the negative sentences in le futur proche. Marie ne va pas étudier dans 15 minutes. Marie ne va pas étudier dans 15 minutes. Mary is not going to study in 15 minutes. Vous n'allez pas faire du shopping. Vous n'allez pas faire du shopping. You are not going to do shopping. So, in these two sentences, we can notice that we have negated the verb aller. Le futur proche avec le verbe pronominaux. Now, let's see how we can form le futur proche of the pronominal verbs. En faisant le futur proche avec le verbe pronominaux, le pronom réfléchi s'accorde avec le sujet et le verbe vient à la forme infinitive. While doing the futur proche with the pronominal verbs, the reflexive pronoun agrees with the subject. The reflexive pronoun, that is me, te, se, nous, vous and ce, that comes with the pronominal verbs, they are going to agree with the subject. For example, if I have the subject je, the reflexive pronoun would be me. If I have the subject vous, the reflexive pronoun would be vous. Et le verbe vient à la forme infinitive and the verb itself will come in the infinitive form. Let's see the formation. Le sujet, the subject. With the subject, we have le verbe aller conjugué au présent, conjugated in the present tense. Le pronom réfléchi qui s'accorde avec le sujet, the reflexive pronoun that is going to agree with the subject. Et l'infinitive du verbe principal and the infinitive form of the main verb. Again, if we need to do the negation of the sentences that has the pronominal verb in them, we are going to negate only the verb aller. Let's see some examples. Il va se promener dans des heures. Il va se promener dans des heures. He is going for a walk in 2 hours. Here we can notice that we have the reflexive pronoun se, which agrees with il. Let's see another example. Je vais me coucher dans 20 minutes. Je vais me coucher dans 20 minutes. I am going to go to bed in 20 minutes. Now here again we have the reflexive pronoun me, which agrees with the subject je. Whereas the verb promener and coucher both are coming in the infinitive form. Nous n'allons pas nous présenter. Nous n'allons pas nous présenter. Again, we can see how we have negated the verb aller and we have also used the pronominal verb. Here in the pronominal verb, the nous, which is in red as of now, which is the reflexive pronoun, is agreeing with the subject nous. And the verb has come in the infinitive form. Let's see another example. Tu ne vas pas te taire. Tu ne vas pas te taire. Are you not going to be quiet? Now it is a simple interrogation using the intonation form. So here also you can notice I have negated the verb aller, whereas this the reflexive pronoun is agreeing with the subject tu, and there, which means to be quiet, is coming in the infinitive form. That's it for today. Must like, share and subscribe French by Heart. For any feedback or recommendation, you can always contact me using the mail ID frenchbyheart03@gmail.com. Merci.